QNT at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a short-term breakdown move after an aggressive bounce in a move that gave us a high above the $72.1, and at the time of this recording we have now lost a significant key area of support above the 69.1. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakdown target areas, give you significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, and above all give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening. You can see that on the 5th of August we saw a massive breakdown move giving us a low below the $50 mark. Then we started a very nice bounce to the upside where we first picked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of these 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, though this is an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, and I came up with the area by connecting the fibs from the bear, that is from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to that high in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃, where you can see that the minimum pullback target area is between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. But after seeing a pullback into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, we started a very nice reaction to this area in what I have now been terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃, which is right here, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the $92, and that has been my minimum target area that I'm expecting QNT is going to fully maximize in the next coming days. And also remember that since we are seeing an impulsive 𝗕𝗃𝗃, we also need to see a 5-wave structure within the formation of this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃, where we need to see a micro 𝗕𝗃 structure having this as a wave 1, then we can expect a pullback in a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, fully maximizing the formation of this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃 right here in blue. And there are high chances that maybe we have now picked in this 𝗕𝗃𝗃, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave down there to the high of this 𝗕𝗃𝗃, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. So this is the area that we need to watch out for, which perfectly lies between the 67.9 and the 65.1, which is the area over here. So there are chances that in case we continue seeing further breakdown in the next coming hours, this is the area that we need to continue holding within, get a low within this target area for the second wave before we can see another bounce back in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, getting us back above the $92 in the next coming hours. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term, and these are my breakdown target areas in case we continue seeing a bit of a sell-off in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to also give you my long-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the 𝗕𝗃 structures. Here on the daily chart you can see that we got our bear market lows below the $40 before we started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing the formation of this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃. Then we started a bit of a short-term breakdown move in this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are high chances that in the next coming weeks we are going to start another aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃, But you also need to have in mind that I have an issue with this 𝗕𝗘𝗃 structure since we fully maximized the target area and also saw a break to the lower side of this red target area. And that means that there are high chances that we can see another breakdown move giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is something else that you need to have in mind. But in case on the short-term time frames we see a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, confirming to us that the low that you made on the 5th of August is the last low that you are going to get in this larger 𝗕𝗘𝗃 count 2, then there are high chances that you are going to see an aggressive bounce in this larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃 count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And I've given you my pullback target areas. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will be keeping you up to date.